Hey guys, what's happening? How to download Cantina for free and create unlimited AI images. Go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, right? Download it from the official site. I'm gonna just type Cantina, okay? And as you can see, you're gonna be able to see right here the app, right? And unlimited AI selfies. Just go ahead and download the app, okay? Now I'm gonna download and confirm via facial recognition. And afterwards, you can start chat with AI, right? And you can generate unlimited AI selfies, create infinite characters, watch your friends play, right? And discover rooms with friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up Cantina, right? And of course, use your credentials. For some websites, you can, for some apps, they allow other platforms like Google and iOS. So I'm gonna enter my phone, and then I'm gonna confirm via a phone number. So I'm gonna wait, as you can see right here, 8501. Then I'm gonna enter obviously the email, the birthday, right? 26. Sorry for that. And then add your name and the username. Now you can just go ahead and take a photo or upload a photo in my case. So I'm gonna upload this photo, right? And now you're gonna be able to generate a limited AI image, right? You're gonna select the ethnicity, obviously, and let's say, yeah, black. Excuse me. Not a European, right? And the gender, male. And the hairstyle, if you want to add a hairstyle, curly, straight. If you want it to be mohawk, K-pop, undercut, I don't know, messy, gentleman's cut. And then hit continue, or select your age also. Excuse me. And then continue. Now you're gonna select the AI character, right? Okay. Now you're gonna wait to see how your AI would be generated. And as you can see right here, the seems issue with your description or attributes. You can go ahead and select right here a male figure, right? And basically go and continue. And as you can see, you can set this as a profile photo. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.